If you're looking for a network security platform, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to have a look at two of the top dogs in the category. We're having a look at Netgate. We're also having a look at Firewalla. We're going to figure out what features they offer and how they can really benefit you. So without further ado, let's get digging. Alright, so Netgate offers advanced firewall and routing capabilities. Netgate's pfSense Plus delivers up to 10 gigabytes per second firewall and routing performance. It offers load balancing, traffic shaping, and UTM features. It's suitable for pro homes, SMBs, and edge deployments. It offers versatile VPN integration. So pfSense Plus supports secure, remote, and site-to-site VPN connectivity, hardware acceleration with Intel's QAT and AES-NI boosts encryption without sacrificing your speed. It's ideal for business-grade encryption communications. Intel's quick asset technology and AES-NI enhance VPN throughput. Also, it enables security user connections from anywhere, and it supports encrypted links between multiple locations. It also offers flexible network security applications. So Netgate supports a large span of web filtering. It has a failover WAN and third-party app compatibility, which extends network security and reliability. Okay, so Firewalla has fantastic features. Let's have a look at some of them. Firewalla delivers exceptional performance while processing speeds of up to more than 5 gigabytes per second, making it really ideal for modern high-speed networks. The platform also supports multiple device models to accommodate different network sizes as well as different requirements. So we have the Gold Plus. So the Gold Plus is a premium model with maximum throughput and multi-gigabyte capabilities for enterprise-grade security. We got the Gold SE, which is a mid-tier solution balancing performance and reliability, affordability, as well for medium-sized networks. And then we've got the Purple, which is a compact solution for smaller networks while still maintaining the core security features. The hardware also includes 2.5G 1 gigabit interface with specifically designed for multi-gigabyte networks, powering both residential and business environments worldwide. Let's have a look at some of their intelligent security features. So they have proactive threat management. This is an active protect. So Active Protect technology continuously monitors network traffic, which automatically identifies and blocks potential threats before they can even impact your device or your data. The system employs advanced intrusion prevention systems that work silently in the background. They also have behavior analytics, which examines device activity patterns over time, flagging any suspicious behavior that might indicate a compromise. The machine learning approach helps identify threats that traditional signature-based detection might actually miss. You also get real-time alerts, which notify you immediately when cyber threats target your IoT devices or attempt to breach your network. This allows for immediate response. It also has the geo-IP filtering, providing additional security layers by blocking traffic from specific countries or regions known for malicious activity. Effectively, this prevents many remote attack vectors. The last thing over here is the advanced control and network management. So you can actually create virtual walls that isolate different network zones. Could be work, family, kids, whatever the case may be for you individually. This is an enhanced security feature and great for privacy. Each segment can actually have its own rules and restrictions. You also have a quarantine mode, which automatically restricts new or unknown devices when they connect, applying strict rules until they are manually approved. Of course, this completely prevents unauthorized access. You can also create specific traffic rules to block web pages, manage device accessibility, and also remove ads across your entire network with simple configuration. The platform also includes comprehensive vulnerability scanning capabilities that identify potential security risks such as open ports, weak passwords, and outdated firmware across all connected devices, which provides actionable remediation steps. All right, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is a fantastic roundup, a good head-to-head comparison. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. If you have any feedback, you can leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.